Alright, a few hours later, I finally got some of this back together. That's what it kind of turned out to be. It's a roller. Let's see if I can get it straight. It's not so cockeyed looking. Hold still. Alright. I got the back tire looking like the front tire now. Here's my fender. Now I'm not trying to make this look like brand new or anything. I'm just trying to revive it and kind of like spruce it up a little bit. Now, put this on. Packed all the grease inside there. Real rolls pretty good. So, back running. I thought the thing shut off on me. So, anyways, says I got an hour to film on this thing. I got the handlebars back on. These shocks. Now this knob over here, I broke the damn knob off trying to get that side off over there. It was like somebody had tightened it down way too tight. So I'll end up having to order another knob. They're like $14 a piece. Now I'm getting ready. I went through all the wiring, and by the way, the horn does work. The headlight works. All the lights so far, as I know, works. Probably have to adjust the brakes on it, but I'm sure they'll be all right. And the seat is on there temporarily. Then the motor, I'm going to go through the motor here and check the clutch. I got a tool to take the clutch off, so I don't have to screw around with it. And I'm going to take off the flywheel and make sure make sure the wiring is okay on the points. But I checked the points, and I just got to tighten the flywheel nut down. I think it's still loose in there. I just got everything snugged up and on the motor. But I'm going to take that case off and take the clutch off and go through the clutch and make sure it's okay. I think it's okay. It's only got 490 miles on the whole motor, so but that's where I'm at so far. And I think what I'm going to do is I think the color is pretty good on this. I mean, there's a couple spots, not too bad. I'm going to just take and rub it out, with some rubbing compound. And I mean, I don't expect it to be perfect. But it seems to be rolling okay. Oop. I don't have everything all hooked up yet. Get the speedometer. I'm going to put the speedometer back on, but I got to change the light bulbs on it. Those little tiny light bulbs. So far it's looking pretty good. Oh, I can see seat almost fell off. That's out. Seats is sitting on there. There. And I get the rest of some of the parts. Just got the engine basically, and get my shop cleaned up, and get back to work on some of my RC cars. I'm building a rock crawler, so. But I thought I'd finish it up. It's kind of like after 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm a night person, so. Let's see, it turned out alright. Let's see what's going real quick. Fall over in the middle of the night. The screen keeps going off on me. Okay. One last look. This is basically for my own personal pleasure. If anybody wants to watch these videos, subscribe and like if you like the videos. But it's just a hobby of mine. I enjoy doing it. It keeps me out of trouble. Okay, that's enough for now.